Yes, okay, friends. Yes, last time we have seen the classification of hydroxy compound as per hybridization in carbon atom which is directly attached with hydroxy group. Yes, now we will see the classification of hydroxy compound as per number of hydroxy groups remained in organic compound. Yes, monohydroxy organic compound, dihydroxy organic compound and trihydroxy organic compound. Mono means 1, di means 2 and tri means 3. The organic compound in which only one OH group is present, they are known as a monohydroxy compounds. Organic compound, organic molecules in which two OH groups are present is known as a dihydroxy, and the organic molecule in which three hydroxy groups are present known as a trihydroxy compound. Okay, now you see, OH group is to be attached with carbon atom, and this carbon atom is to be member of alkyl group, or sometimes it will be member of aryl group. That's why all monohydroxy, dihydroxy and trihydroxy compound can be classified two types. Yes, monohydroxy alkane. And second type is monohydroxy arene. Arene means compound having benzene ring. Dihydroxy also can be two types, dihydroxy alkane and dihydroxy arene. Trihydroxy compound can be classified in two types, trihydroxy alkane and trihydroxy arene. Okay. Now this is the type of hydroxy compound. Now general formula of these compounds. Yes, in monohydroxy only one OH group is to be present. Monohydroxy alkane can be symbolized by ROH, and monohydroxy arene is to be symbolized by AROH. बेंजीन के साथ ओनली वन OH इज डायरेक्टली अटैच्ड, उसको मोनोहाइड्रोक्सी एरीन बोलते हैं. यस, डाइहाइड्रोक्सी अल्केन, दैट मीन्स द अल्केन कंपाउंड इन फ्रॉम विच टू हाइड्रोजन आर रिप्लेस्ड बाय टू हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप. अल्केन का वन मॉलिक्यूल possess two hydroxy groups. It is known as a dihydroxy alkane. And dihydroxy arene means benzene ring per se. Among the 6 hydrogen, only 2 hydrogen, any 2 hydrogen may be replaced by 2 OH groups. They are known as a dihydroxy arene. Then in case of trihydroxy alkane, when we replace 3 hydrogen atom from the alkane through 3 hydroxy groups, means इनका एक मॉलिक्यूल में 3 हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप रहेंगे, दैट्स दे आर नोन एज ए ट्राइहाइड्रोक्सी अल्केन. एंड ट्राइहाइड्रोक्सी एरीन मींस बेंजीन रिंग. व्हेन वी रिप्लेस 3 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स फ्रॉम बेंजीन रिंग and OH is to be set, they are known as a trihydroxy arene. Yes, their general formula is ArOH3. Trihydroxy alkane is to be indicated by ROH3. Dihydroxy alkane may be indicated by ROH twice. Dihydroxy arene ArOH twice. Yes, monohydroxy alkane ROH and monohydroxy arene AROH. Now see the illustrations. CH3OH. This is the derivative of methane. One hydrogen is replaced from methane. CH3OH, methanol. Its IUPAC name is methanol and common name is methyl alcohol. Okay. Now you see in this compound 2 carbons are there. That's why it is the derivative of ethane. Its common name is ethyl alcohol and IUPAC name is ethanol. यस, मोनोहाइड्रोक्सी एरिन के केस में बेंजीन के ऊपर only one OH is there. It is known as a phenol. It is also known as a hydroxybenzene because this is the derivative of benzene and it is isolated by removal of one hydrogen and वहाँ हमने OH लगा दिया. Okay. When one OH and one CH3 groups this type, when two groups are present on benzene ring, among these two groups one is methyl group and second one is OH group. This compound is known as a cresol. Yes, if the position of both group is ortho position, is known as a orthocresol. If this is the meta position, it is known as a metacresol. This is the paracresol. In case of dihydroxyalkane, this is the यहाँ corner पे CH2 है. It is the derivative of ethane. IUPAC name होगा ethane 1,2-diol. Otherwise you can say eth 1,2-diol. Common name है इसका ethylene glycol. In short EG से indicate किया जाता है. Yes, dihydroxyarin के बारे में benzene के ऊपर when two OH groups are present on benzene ring, their name will be quite different and name will be indicated as per position of both groups. If both groups are present on ortho position, it is known as a catechol या catechol. Yes, meta position पे है तो उसको resorcinol बोला जाता है और पैरा पोजीशन पे है तो उसको हम हाइड्रोक्विनोन, अदरवाइज यू कैन से क्विनोल. यस, इन केस ऑफ ट्राईहाइड्रोक्सी अल्केन CH2CH और CH2, एक याद रखो कैपिटल E लिख दो, तीन टर्मिनल पे OH लिख दो, ग्लिसरॉल बन गया, ग्लिसरीन अदरवाइज ग्लिसरॉल. C लिख दो और दो OH लगा दो तो इथिलीन ग्लाइकोल बन जाएगा. अच्छा, इसका IUPAC नेम क्या है? इट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ प्रोपेन 1,2,3 ट्रायोल अथवा प्रोप 1,2,3 ट्रायोल चलेगा. एंड यहाँ ट्राइहाइड्रोक्सीएरिन के बारे में इसका कॉमन नेम है पायरोगैलोल. यहाँ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 135 trihydroxybenzene is the IUPAC name. Now you see, as per number of hydroxy, monohydroxy में only one OH group is to be present. In case of dihydroxy compound, two hydroxy group will be present in a one molecule. In case of trihydroxy compound में one molecule possess three hydroxy group. तो ये देखो कॉलम T for type, G for general formula, I for illustration and N for number of OH. T, F, I, N. ऋषि, स्कूल जाते हो मम्मी टिफिन भर देती है या नहीं? तो ये टिफिन याद रख लो. T, F, I, N. T for type, I for formula, I for illustration and then N for number of hydroxy group. Okay. Next time we will go next point. Okay, ये क्लासिफिकेशन खत्म हो गया. Okay, thank you very much, Prisha.